Hi, I am Mrs. Conianta Lanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conianta Lanya Magnaya Quezon the First. I will talk now about my love life. So, year 2017, myself tends to uh, talking with Alex Sandiantesa Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon the First, which is the moment of talking is during year 2010 inside of the classroom at President Diosdado Mahapagal High School. Ew. I say ew because my body is being target and the use of black magic. Next, that is mostly what that is what I say whenever there is a person that interferes. I say ew, such that consistent it is when there is a person that interferes. This is right eye. I say ew because they is kadiri talaga. Ewness. So I will talk now. When it comes into July, the talking about is fire element. It is element. And then what else? I am on inside of the school during that moment. Asia Pacific College. What else? My talking during year 2017 is on that specific year 2017. Fire element. Alex Jr. ko is telling me about inchik. Inchik is the word fire. Fire inchik, meaning to say, Alex Sandiantesa Jr. ko is telling me about the line word of the word fire, the equivalent on inchik, the line. That is what Alex Jr. ko is being tells me during July 26, 20, ano ba yan? July 2017. Seryoso buhay ko rito, nakakadiri kayo. Ew. What else? it is a love life talking about when I am talking it this year 2025 they is putting angriness on it. Alex Junior ko should watch this video so that Alex Junior ko knows it. When I am saying it, I could feel that they is putting angriness on it. So meaning to say there is a person that is looking and then they is anger. That is love life about talking during year 2017. I need to talk. Myself is I need to talk. The voices on my ear does not want me to talk even though what I say is truthfulness. Mga kadiri ka! Umita kayo! They not treat me as a person. They treating me as a product. I wish talaga those person on my ear should be dead. What is being shown my right eye? The start of the existence of the word slave here, Philippines. But that is what the right eye says. Because of the description of the person on myself, the word is slave. The existence, meaning to say a body movement of such as on the word slave. Ay, Miko, I want to focus on my love life. I not think of that word. The right eye says that. And then it is year 2025. What else? Oh, July year 2017. Yan, sabotage. Kadiri kayo. Kadiri. Mamatay na sa sarili mo! Magkaroon ka sana ng sakit nang mamatay ka na! Hindi yan ugali ng tao, kadiri kayo. Bastos ka sa tao. What else? I am the lover of Alex ko since high school. I will talk about year 2017. My God, I am on realization lifestyle. What the voice like telling me about my situation on the right eye, Richel Ang, wants me to be such as on sadness and then getting of what is mine. The feeling. Dun lang talaga ibang bansa. At the moment they is getting the feeling of life existe, what you call that? A feeling about something that is on myself. Erotic day is. It is 11 na naman, 11 minute and 34 second. They is destroying of my talking, but it is substantial. The reason why there is the illness, I not know why. Illness. I not know why there is two person. There is blind person. And then when I talk, when I observe myself or being myself is hurt, that is the impact of it. Tahimik ko. And then the other is lash head as well. Oh, I sight it on my panaginip. The head is being cut onto the neck. That is the deadness. Kabaong. I not know of how it is will happen. I will focus now on my love life. There is now on about the timing ko. Hmm, Nerida legs ko. It is 13 minutes and 19. I sight it on my panaginip. Slash head. Oh, slash head. I feel dizzy at the moment. I will end my camera video already. 13 minutes and 40 seconds.